things that you have to think about is, where do you have nexus? Are the items that you sell taxable? Are the items that you're selling, or the customers that you're doing business with, have some sort of exemption? Right before this webinar, I had a call with a company that is a traditional software consulting company. But guess what? They started to build some software applications that they are selling online. So you know what? They are an e-commerce business. We're 3/4 of the way through the call, and they said, "Oh, we've also got an employee in Arizona. Does that change anything?" And I said, "Absolutely." And all of those things really have added a lot of complexity to businesses of all types in evaluating what is their responsibility for sales tax.